This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities.
Case of police excess. But something happened in May.
Nowadays, you are only doing police matters.
This court is meant for police matters only.
Yes,
I cannot bring in other matters here.
yes.
Millard, a complaint, Millard, is lodged on 5th of June 2026 of an incident of allegedly of May 2021. But your Lordship would find, Millard, the formal FIR at page 39. Please have a look to, Millard, the date and time. PS Shalboni, year 2026, FIR number 133, date and time of lodging is 5th of June 2026 at 14:05 hours. Now please have a look to the complaint. Yes, and date of occurrence where your Lordship would find over there.
But before my learned friend proceeds, something I need to point out before your lordship. The principal accused of the instant case, but he has filed a 482 now application which is pending. Today the matter was fixed, but somehow the court did not sit, so it is going to happen tomorrow. The last matter I have seen your lordship has transferred the writ to that bench only. That is the reason, blood, to waste your lordship's time. I am mentioning.
So this originates from the same.
Yes, same incident, same case. না আগে একটা সেম ম্যাটারে করলো সেই করলাম না
Your Lordship has, with respect, your Lordship has not been assisted properly. Who was there in that matter, I do not know.
You are there.
Mr. কল্যাণ বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়
It starts from Millard English decisions of 1968 and it percolates to Vietnam. Then Saldana's case is there. In each of these judgments, Millard, it is said that mandamus is the remedy, not 482.
No, you have filed an application for pre-arrest bail.
No, who am I? I'm not there. The police comes to my house in the dead of the night at 3 in the morning and trying to search out a person who is not an inhabitant of that place. What is the ground? The ground is that the tower location shows that this person is in this premises. And at 5:30 in the morning, breaks open by calling the disaster management people.
Now, who is the applicant before the coordinate bench in 482 application?
the person who was from we are trying to court.
Yes. And at my house is being raided. It's not Sumit Ray's house.
He was
No. He was,
very much.
first of all,
Here the petitioner is All India Trinamool Congress.
yes.
Now, in connection with the same criminal prosecution, this.
No. Kindly hear me.
This point was raised before that court.
Kindly hear
That
me.
they have break.
Consider the judgments. Thereafter, if your Lordship relegates me,
For releasing, go before the bench.
but I cannot go over there.
No, otherwise there will be divergent views.
Millard, please consider what is the cause of action. Over there, I'm told it is it is an anti-safety bail application. What will I do over there?
The same incident that breaking of
Let my
they
learned
have
friend not
mentioned.
mislead the court.
No, I am not misled.
Absolutely
I am not. You are not.
You are.
I am not.
Yes.
I am not.
It's not that.
But I cannot mislead.
Yes, unfortunately, as an officer of the court, you are misleading.
No.
Judgments, you will have your turn. Well, here, Millard, the person is
What you are praying for, Mr. Dor?
Millard, what I am praying is, Millard, here I am, Millard, not questioning the investigation. I am not asking for any.
You are against the search and seizure operation.
I am not ipso facto against the search and seizure. I am against, Millard, the misuse of powers by the police. Millard, in the name of investigation, you cannot go to somebody else's house in the mid of the night on 15th of June in a case of May 2021. What is the urgency? What is the hurry? And it is not a place known to be inhabited by the so-called Millard prime accused. First of all, Millard, he is not an accused in the complaint itself. Now, please have a look to the complaint, Millard. Millard, this needs to be moved before your Lordship, Millard. Kindly have a look to the complaint.
Page.
This is at page 44. No, if I have to please have a look to the complaint. Kindly have a look, Millard. Your Lordship will not find the name of Shumit Roy here. And they go to find out Shumit Roy in my house. No, but kindly go through the complaint, Millard. Page. No, this is not at page 44.
Yes.
And more importantly, Milord, this arises out of, Milord, a civil dispute. Somebody takes money to sell government land. This is the, Milord, sum and substance. আমার অভিযোগ এই যে গত 2021 সালের মে মাস নাগাদ আমি শালবনী থানার সোয়েন্সো মৌজায়, দি নাম্বারস আর দেয়ার, দাগ নাম্বারস আর দেয়ার, যার মোট পরিমাণ 420 ডেসিমেল জায়গায় একটি পানীয় জলের ছোটখাটো কারখানা করার জন্য দেবাশিস দে পিতা এক্সেট্রা সোয়েন্সো ও সুব্রত বেরা ঠিকানা সোয়েন্সোর সাথে কথা বলি। তারপর ওনারা আমাদের সাথে টিএমসি তৎকালীন জেলা সভাপতি সঞ্জয়
With regard to certain land dispute and land transaction, this complaint was lodged on 5th of June 2026.
2026,
Yes.
something which had happened in 2021. Fair enough.
Yes.
At the bottom, he has said that he was frightened because of the deed and ruling
Now
dispensation
Sanboli Police Station 133/2026 was started.
was started.
Yes.
Now, Milord, the names of the accused, your lordship would find, Milord.
Now you are primarily, Mr. Dotto agreed by the search which was conducted on 13 June dead at night. That is your,
And I call it a misuse of investigating power of the police.
now today his search was conducted
Yes.
on 13 June at night.
Yes.
Today what order you are seeking?
Yes. Milord, please look into my.
You, I have read the prayer that you have questioned the propriety of such search and seizure operation
Correct.
which was conducted on 13 June, which requires calling for affidavits.
Definitely. And Milord, your lordship would kindly, Milord, direct them to preserve all the, Milord, CCTV footages, and more importantly, Milord, today, Milord, in the BNSS era, Milord, they are supposed to, Milord, record by audio video means, Milord, all such and seizure.
All done.
Let them preserve it. We'll come back, Milord. If your lordship wants me to address on mandamus, I can do it today, or I can, your lordship may keep that point open.
Let them respond to your writ petition by filing an affidavit in opposition.
The action of
Because today there is no scope so far this court is concerned to pass an interim order in this matter.
Yes.
Because already search operation is
Yes, interim order only to
13
the,
June.
to the extent of
Yes,
preservation.
right, that so far the pre-arrest bail application of the petitioner is concerned, which is pending before the coordinate bench. This issue has nothing to do with that matter.
Yes.
So therefore, let there be direction for exchange of affidavits come back. Let me direct the matter to appear under the heading hearing.
and Milord, all the actions. by
Because
the
today
police-
there is no scope of passing any interim order.
And I would presume, Milord, that the police, of course, Milord, in extraordinary situation, they can. But at
Section
least,
54, which is
No,
very
no, no.
clear.
the extra,
Clear.
what is the extraordinary situation?
Yes, no, it's cannot say the extraordinary situation.
Today,
Can see the language,
today, because,
can see the
because,
language of 44.
yes,
One-
yes, please look into
Section
language of 44. No, 44 is not the only provision.
44 is the provision
Yes,
for
yes.
search and seizure.
Yes, now kindly see, Milord, 44.
And search of a place entered by persons sought to be arrested. Milord, kindly say it's very clear.
Yes, yes. Where is the warrant? Let him put.
No, for 44 2,
Yes.
Milord, this is covered by 44 2.
Yes. 44 2
Ingress
is more
of
important.
such place cannot be obtained under
44(1) says that normally
normally.
this access should be obtained
Yes,
by the police officer
officer.
or any authorized person.
persons.
That is 44(1).
44 1.
Then 44(2) yes.
Please listen kindly see. If ingress to such place cannot be obtained under subsection 1,
As it is the,
yes,
in the present
in this
case.
case, it shall be lawful in any case for a person acting under a warrant and in any case in which a warrant may issue. The word is may issue.
Yes, yes.
Not case,
Yes.
warrant and it may issue
Yes, read on, but.
cannot be obtained without affording that persons to be arrested an opportunity of escape for a police officer to enter
Let them
such
produce
place
this document.
and search.
Let him produce this
Let
document.
it be completed,
Yes,
my
yes,
lord.
yes.
And in order to effect an entrance into such place to break open any outer in inner door or window or any house or place where that persons to be arrested or any of other persons if notification of his authority and purpose are deemed to be admitted duly made and he cannot otherwise. So my lord, section is very clear. We have
Where is
actually
the warrant of arrest?
warrant is not required, my lord. It is one
Now,
situation.
Mr. Mojumdar, why dead at night this?
It is not dead at
search
night.
and
My lord,
operation?
they were knocking the door. My lord, the persons was confined there. My lord, from the my lord, 12 a.m. Now, my lord, they were
What is troubling this court, I'm telling you,
Yes,
that as Mr. Dotto has pointed out, that 5th June 2026 complaint,
yes.
that is with regard to transaction of illegal
What is
transactions of land.
Yes.
And the complaint relates to land issue and transactions, illegal transactions were carried out so far land is concerned.
Lordship.
Now that complaint is dated 5th June 2026 with regard to land transactions of
The explanation.
years.
Now,
What
kindly,
is the urgency? No urgency.
13
This is
June
Mrs.
last-
Power.
yes,
this had to be that search and seizure operation had to be carried out.
because everything was on record, the person.
Mobile tower location.
Yes, mobile tower location and the person was supposed to escape.
Yes.
And we'll have time.
Where is he getting this authority?
Let me finish your lordship. He is querying something.
Yes.
We'll kindly see the order which I have prepared.
File your affidavit.
Yes, yes.
No problem, Lord, we can file it.
There is no scope. Mr. Dotto is correct that this has got nothing to do with your pre-arrest bail application.
No, I'm not saying. They have raised this issue also there. I'm just,
And Mr. Banerjee appearing on virtual mode.
Yes, my lord. For rains, my lord, for rains, nothing other than that. My lord, I am doing the 438 matter. But I am arguing the 438 matter, 438 court is not available today. So that's why, my lord, heavy rains, my lord, I'll just come in within 2 minutes. The next matter is mine, my lord. I'll come, my lord.
In the same boat with Mr. Dotto.
Absolutely, my lord. I'm the junior to Mr. Dotto in this matter, my lord.
She will get the entire crux of my submission in the, my lord, the order which I have handed over. Kindly see what is his involvement. Kindly see it once.
No, I am not on there. I am not here for Sumit Rai.
My lord, we,
Say, why is my learned friend misdirecting the
my
court?
lord, we are covered in terms of section 44(2).
They should
44(2), let him
Yes.
produce his documents.
Everything is there on
Yes,
record.
yes, please produce the documents, we'll see.
affidavit service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record stop. All India Trinamool Congress. And it's who is representing,
This is the affidavit of service.
তো তো সবারই যাচ্ছে।
Mr. Majumdar is for all.
Acha. All India Trinamool Congress is the petitioner.
Please take. Read that.
Complaining of is the petitioner in this writ petition. And Mr. Kishore Dotto, learned senior advocate, representing the petitioner, questions propriety of investigating agency to conduct search and seizure operation in connection with Shalboni Police Station case number 133 of 2026 dated 5th June 2026. At 121 Kalighat Road.
121 Kalighat Road.
At 121 Kalighat Road, Kolkata 7,26,000. At which hours? Stop. It is contended. It is contended on behalf of the it is also contended on behalf of the petitioners that it was not warranted, so far investigation agency is concerned, to conduct search and seizure operation allegedly without warrant, allegedly without warrant,
आगे हो जाएगा मैटर जस्ट चट्टे मैटर आगे
at 5 a.m. on 13 June 2026.
3A.
It's at 3 a.m. and the padlock was
Padlock was
broken at 5:37 according.
Why the-
it shows, my lord,
Yes, because my CCTV is
they
there.
are falling in their trap. If
Yes,
you
yes.
don't open the blood gate, then has to be the police has to blood break open the padlock.
Yes, definitely.
however, it is also
By
contended
engaging
that
in disaster management.
police officials made an attempt to enter into the aforesaid premises at 3 a.m. on 13 June 2026 and ultimately broke open padlock at 5 a.m. Stop. Next paragraph. Mr. Mojumdar, Mr. Rajdeep Mojumdar, learned additional advocate general representing state respondents, has opposed this writ petition. And it is submitted that
Interaction by the police within the domain of the act in terms of section 44.
petitioner has, no, not the petitioner. Who is the petitioner in this pre-arrest bail application?
The main accused,
Mhm.
to whom yes, it's not
He is
required.
not the main accused.
Malad, I have something to say over here. If Mr. Mojumdar tries to precipitate this issue over here, Malad, then let me tell your lordship, no search was conducted.
Now,
No search was conducted.
so he was tried, but now he has changed his stance.
Yes.
Very well, very well.
Action is covered under the act. I have nothing.
I demonstrate how.
Yes.
Yeah, let him produce all the.
Ultimately, good sense prevails.
I've understood, Malad.
Oppose this writ petition and it is submitted that under section 44 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita 2023, police officials were empowered to enter into the aforesaid premises in question for conducting search and seizure operation.
And all legal formalities has been complied with.
Stop. It is also submitted that prior to entering into the aforesaid premises, all legal formalities were complied with. Next paragraph. Since propriety of search and seizure operation or conducted on 13 June 2026 is questioned in this writ petition, there is no scope of passing any interim order today. Stop. Let affidavit in opposition to this writ petition be filed by 3 weeks from date and affidavit in reply thereto 3 weeks from date and affidavit in reply thereto if any be filed by 2 weeks thereafter. Next paragraph. Party shall be at liberty to mention the matter before the appropriate bench for hearing after the time fixed herein above for exchanging affidavits.
Your lordship may kindly pass this direction, not in the nature of an interim order, to preserve all the CCTV footages in terms of Pred G. Kindly pass that.
It is already there, my lord.
Concerned police authorities are directed to preserve CCTV footage as short
Body
for-
camera, my lord, it cannot be CCTV footage in their control. They should produce it before your lordship because the premises belongs to them.
But just now you have submitted.
Body
As per-
camera.
as per clearness-
As per the body camera which has been fixed.
No, he has to audio video record.
That already been done.
Yes.
Is directed to preserve audio video records of search and seizure operation which was conducted on 30 June
And the
2026.
body camera recordings of the officers.
My lord, we shall also, my lord, place and record mid of the search. The ex-chief minister entered into the.
I have pleaded.
That's in
I have
the,
pleaded.
that's in the pleading.
That cannot be done.
Yes.
The similar situation is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. Your lordship knows that.
But he is correct, Mr. Mujumdar, that it is not a case which is required to be released. Which is required to be
I
released.
am very happy to argue before your lordship.
Yes, sir.
Always,
Management group.
always.
But 44 I have read is considering the case made out. 44 there is a power.
No. 44-2. If your lordship spends 2 minutes for me,
Yes.
please have a look to 44-2.
As Mr. Mujumdar has rightly
Yes.
pointed out.
Where 44-1 and 44-2, there's a gulf of difference.
Yes.
Now,
Now, 44-1 when the access is given.
Yes.
There is a one is when access is given, provided.
Yes.
Now then 44-2.
Kindly see if egress to such a place cannot be obtained under subsection 1. It shall be lawful in any case for a person acting under a warrant.
Under a warrant
This is.
and in any case
Yeah.
in which, what does it mean?
Yes.
Yeah, please let us carry on. Milo.
Warrant is
Next
not a
part.
strict one.
Next part.
Yes.
But cannot be obtained without
Just a minute, just a minute.
Yes.
Acting under a warrant and in any
any
case.
case in which a warrant may issue but cannot be obtained. The warrant is necessary but
Yes.
cannot be obtained. First situation is under a warrant. Second is
Yes.
warrant is required but cannot
It
be obtained.
could be obtained.
Right. Why? please have a look to this, cannot be obtained without affording the person to be arrested an opportunity to escape. For a police officer to enter into the place and search therein in order to effect entrance
You
to
need not read further.
Yes.
Now, for our case is this, that mobile tower location indicates that the accused was
Everything is
inside the premises in
everything
question.
is garaged with the consent.
please add this half sentence. Produce all the records relating to Miller, this authorization to monitor his movements by tower.
Let them clarify it in their affidavit in opposition. Let them.
Kindly direct that. Kindly
No.
direct that.
Under Telegraph Act, they can't. Under Telegraph Act,
It infracts right to privacy.
they can't.
Those materials. Otherwise, you won't be able to get the benefit of section 44.
No, everything is there, everything is
Because
there.
what was the primary, what was the basis on which you conducted such
Yes, everything is there.
search and seizure operation at which hours?
Everything is there on record, my lord, in
Very
Calicut,
including, kindly add
as
this.
well as,
Kindly consider adding this, including Miller, the tower location documents.
no,
Kindly, yeah, why not? Why not?
That is the-
yes, deeply.
ठीक है, अच्छा चलो बोलते ही